Come with me on an adventure, a journey to a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Meghalaya, India. The magnificent Lyngksiar Falls. Our journey begins in Shillong, the vibrant capital of Meghalaya. From there, we set off towards Cherrapunji, a route that's feast for eyes. Imagine driving through deep valleys, flanked by whispering pine trees, the air crisp and clear, a sense of magic in the air. It truly feels like you are driving amongst the clouds in this enchanting land. We arrived early, hoping to capture the falls in its pristine glory before the crowds gathered. And what a sight it was. Lyngksiar Falls has a unique charm. It's conveniently located right by the main road, making it easily accessible, and the shallow pool at its base, perfect for families and children to enjoy. Just look at that water, so clear, so inviting. The falls cascade down in multiple tiers, creating a mesmerizing spectacle view. We film this post-monsoon, but I can only imagine how breathtaking it must be when the falls are at their full force. This is a place you absolutely must add to your Meghalaya itinerary. The beauty, the tranquility, the sheer natural wonder of it all. It's an experience you won't soon forget. I hope you enjoyed this aerial tour of Lyngksiar Falls. Did you find it as captivating as I did? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more stunning drone videos. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye for now.